Welcome back to Gambler Spec. We got a new project in the garage today. This is a 1970 Honda CT90 or Trail 90. Picked it up off Facebook Marketplace as usual. So far, stuff we've done to it, we did clean up the carb and put in a new battery to get it running. Put a new seat on so we could ride it, and we took it out to ride. Let me just give you a little walk around. You can see the main issues with this bike is a terrible spray paint job from the previous owner. Overspray all over everything, all over the engine case. I'm not sure what the thought was when they painted this, but pretty bad paint job there. You can also see these handlebars are not the original handlebars. I think this is supposed to be a light switch. But it doesn't work, and this switch, on-off switch, doesn't work either. It did come with the key, so to start it, you can turn the key on there and then kick it. It does run pretty good. The issues that we have with it, other than the paint and the fact that the headlights and electrical won't work, is that the high-low gear doesn't seem to be working correctly. We took it out and rode on some trails for a while, and after about 15-20 minutes, we lost low gear. So stuff we're going to be working on, just giving this bike a little refresh. I don't think this is a long-term keeper for me. So we're going to try to clean it up, make it look a little better, and then I'm going to crack open the case here on the engine and see if I can't find out why it's not shifting in low. And we'll get everything cleaned up and see if we can make it look and run a little bit better. All right, got everything pulled apart here. This is the piece I was inspecting, which is the shift drum stopper. And that actually looks like it's in good shape. So that's definitely not the issue. I'll keep looking and see if I can find something else here. Okay, so I didn't really see anything else out of the ordinary until I got to the reassembly process. And then I noticed this piece that goes on here, it has a shoulder that's supposed to go down to the shift lever like this, and everything's supposed to kind of make a line. Well, it looks like there's some damage here on this plate, and there's a little bit of evidence on the shift lever where it looks like this may have actually been installed this way. So I don't know if that is the problem. What happens is when you're driving in low and go to shift, it'll grind really bad or pop out of gear. So I don't know that this is that problem, but I do know that something happened and it looks like this was turned. So as I reassemble this, I'll turn it the right way, and hopefully that at least makes our shift problem a little better. All right, well, it definitely looks better. So let's see if we can't get it started and take it for a little ride here and see if that problem's gone away with low gear. All right, so this is low gear in first. So far, no grinding. Let me see if I go a little faster here. All right, well, it did not pop out of gear, so that's good. Let's see if we can try high gear here. All right, well, I say that was a win. Everything seemed to shift fine. Low gear, high gear, went through all the gears without popping out. So definitely better than it ever has been. I think that's gonna do it for me on this Trail 90. It looks much better, rides much better. Not exactly what I'm looking for in the long term, so we'll move this on to the next owner and let them enjoy it. But appreciate you watching.